In SMART goals, what does S, M, A, R and T trademark symbol stand for? Specific. A specific and clear goal answers 6 questions. Who is involved in the goal? What do I want to do? Where do I start? When do I start and finish? Which means do I use? Why am I doing this? Measurable. A measurable goal answers the questions how much, how many, and how do I know that I have achieved results? Achievable. Breaking down big goals into smaller parts will make the goal achievable, realistic. A realistic goal would be something that we want and can work towards for achieving the goal, time bound. A SMART goal should have a time frame, i.e., by when the goal needs to be achieved. This encourages us to take actions to completely fulfill the goals. Why we need of self-motivation. Also discuss about its types. Self-motivation is simply the force within you that drives you to do things. Self-motivation is what pushes us to achieve our goals, feel happy and improve our quality of life. Self-motivation also helps us to build strength to complete any task or work, not to give up on our dreams even during difficult times. Stay focused and committed to fulfill our dreams or complete tasks or work. Types of motivation. External motivation. Reward. We do things because it gives us respect, recognition, opportunities to grow further, money or power. Example. Suresh goes to the gym daily for 4 hours and does weightlifting as he wants to win the bodybuilding competition. Internal motivation. Love. We do things because they make us happy, healthy and feel good. Example. Rajesh goes to the gym and does weightlifting to stay healthy and fit. How grooming is helpful. Also explain good grooming tips. Grooming is the process of making yourself look neat, tidy and clean. It is important because it helps us to look neat and clean, feel confident about ourselves, make a good impression of ourselves on others including customers. Good grooming tips. 1. Clothes. Wear clean, neat and ironed clothes. Keep shoes clean and polished. Change socks every day and always wear clean socks. Keep accessories like belts, jewelry, etc. simple and not flashy. Avoid showing body tattoos. 2. Hair. Comb hair neatly. Wash hair regularly to keep it clean. Get a haircut regularly. Wear simple hairstyles. 3. Face. Wash face at regular intervals and wipe to keep it non-oily. Brush regularly to keep teeth clean, without any stains and no food stuck in them. Do not chew pan or gum. Boys should be clean-shaven or with neatly trimmed beard or mustache. Girls to wear no or simple makeup.